Is that your girlfriend?
Yes.
Wow. She's very pretty.
Thank you.
Do they have any ugly girls in Germany?
They prefer to keep them out of sight. There are a lot of things they want to keep hidden. You think I'm joking? I love my country. But it's no secret my government is going insane. They don't bother to hide it. I don't even think they are ashamed. A few nights ago, they sent a girl to my room to wish me luck. She wanted to sleep with me.
Governor Davies sent me a telegram and a case of Coca-Cola. I should immigrate.
No. No. This girl, she wanted to get pregnant. I think she was ordered to get pregnant. I suppose I should be flattered. I think all things considered, you're actually better off in America.
I don't know if there's much difference deep down.